Welcome back to Spice. In this session, we'll continue with flow metering, design and specification. And in part 3, we'll focus on operational modes. So this diagram is just for representation only. Basically, what I want to update here in this session is more on the operational mode. Okay, operational mode in the sense batch mode and flow mode. Okay, but before that, I will touch upon a bit on the operational graphics also. So that is why I put that diagram in the previous slide. Okay, operational graphics. So the skid display graphics of the operator station shall show a detailed graphical view of the each skid. This everybody knows, right? Okay. So it shall continuously display the current operational status of the selected metering skid. Okay. So the metering skids associated meter run and the metering skid associated power. So these are the requirements in the graphics. All operational control of the metering skid shall be possible through this graphic. So everything operator can do using this graphics. So from the operation graphic, the operator inhibits or enables meters or provers from computer control. So these are some of the requirements we need to focus on it. Okay. To add a few more, the meter shall be calibrated while the skid is in operation by initiating a prove. So that is also we need to take note. A prove can be requested at any time by the operator, right? So yeah, it can be on demand or as per the need. Yes. Yeah. I mean, periodic or as per the need. So the operator shall enable or disable automatic proving, cancel a pending prove, and view current meter factor, enter auto prove parameters, and view automatic proving status. Okay. So this about the and additionally the trend display, alarm display shall be provided. So this is all about the operational graphics. Okay. This is about the report. So we need to get into a report actually, system report, batch report, prove report, periodic report, 1 hour, shift, daily, month, all these, and constant reports. All these we need to have. So meaning we need to put forth in the specification. Okay. Now we go into the actual talk of this video. Okay, operation mode. So before going into the detail, one of our viewer actually asked so many queries on this operational modes actually. So I'll be working on it, friend. I will reply to your mail. So we also have go through this operational mode. If any questions are there, you can also write to me. Okay. Let's start with this operational mode. There should be two operation modes. One is batch mode, other is the flow mode. So batch mode allows batch loading based on user entered parameter. Flow mode provides for flow monitoring and flow balancing. So here you may have a question, what is flow balancing? So here flow balancing in metering mode refers to a process of ensuring that the measured flow rates across different branches or zones of a fluid distribution system, okay, are accurately aligned with the desired or designed flow rates. So that is the point actually. So basically it adjusts the valves or devices to match the actual flow with target flow. Okay. So that is what actually, yeah. Flow mode provides for flow monitoring and flow balancing. So in each mode, the operator may select whether to operate the system in automatic or manual mode. In each mode, we can have this option. So in automatic mode, the metering system will determine when to bring meters online and offline and manipulate the required flow rate set points in order to meet the required system demands. Okay. Again, I repeat, friends. In automatic mode, the metering system will determine when to bring the meters online and offline and manipulate the required flow rate set point in order to meet the required system demands. So to add on further, in manual mode, the operator decides the flow rate set point and when to bring a run offline or online. I think it's a typo error, runs offline or online. Okay. So in automatic batch mode, okay, the metering system uses the data entered in batch setup to ramp the flow to the desired loading flow rate and to ramp the flow down at the end of the batch to meet the desired target value. So this is about the automatic batch mode. I repeat, friends, in automatic batch mode, the metering system, okay, uses the data entered in batch setup, okay, to ramp the flow to the desired loading flow rate and to ramp the flow down at the end of the batch to meet the desired target volume. So it will automatically bring runs online or offline as required while keeping the individual meter flow rate within meter's most accurate ranges. To prove a meter, the metering system opens and closes the necessary valves in order to align the selected meter to prover. Okay. So to add on further, and then it routes the necessary signal to the flow and proving computer and signal the proving computer to perform the proof. So upon completion of proof, the report generate the result and metering system asks the operator to accept or reject the new meter factor or to reprove the meter. So the new meter factor and all we covered in our previous sessions actually, how to calculate all these, right? So in order to calculate the final total, the operator will enter the laboratory analysis of the metered product and recalculate the volume and mass of the previous batch and generate the final report. This is what one of the question asked by our friend actually. I'll be replying to him later. Yes. So a representative amount is obtained by periodically sampling the product at it flows. Okay. So that is about the operation mode. What do you call? I think it's a manual mode, right? Yes. So okay. To add on few more, in a batch mode, I think there is a confusion. One moment. Yeah. So in a batch mode, it samples at rate that will space sampling over the entire batch and fill the sampling container. In a flow mode, okay, the sampling rate is based on the user selected volume per sample, okay, or sampling target and current skid flow rate. Again, I repeat, friends, in a batch mode, it samples at a rate that will space sampling over the entire batch and fill the sampling container. But in a flow mode, the sampling rate is based on the user selected volume per sample. Okay. So sampling may also be time based, can also be time based. Okay. So this is about the operational mode basically. Yeah. So then finally, we have some interface to DCS. A single serial communication link shall be provided between each metering system and DCS. The protocol shall be Modbus RTU. Flow computer status data, including the instantaneous total volume and mass flow rate, shall be transferred to the DCS. So that's all I have for this operational modes basically. And part 4, I'll talk about the skid design. And part 5, I'll talk about the FAT. Okay. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. And friend, you asked so many questions. I'll be responding to your question item wise. Just, yeah, give me some time. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.